Hi, everyone, this is James. Welcome to the channel. I'm excited today to do an energy transmission. My beautiful friend and indigenous companion Maku came through very strongly, and he's actually had taken a step back recently, and now he's in the forefront and very much is going to lead this transmission. For those that are new, I do trance healing. In addition to trance channeling, same thing where I take a step back and I allow whatever energy or energies to merge with my field to do so. And then in this case, for the trance healing, they kind of lead the charge for this session. And then Maku brings in other star beings, ascended masters, whoever needs to come through to bring in specific energies for the highest good. Then that's what takes place. And what I do is I will just speak to what's happening. I used to kind of keep it silent, but people are kind of lost. So this way I can kind of just explain what's taking place. And I've now started to learn how to translate what Maku is saying. And Maku is one of the originals, one of the original avatars on the planet. Maku was around when everything was in harmony with each other, with the plants and the animals and just the earth. And that is where we are heading back towards, is just being in harmony with all things, no hierarchy, that we are all just consciousness expressing itself in our own unique ways, and nothing's higher or lower or better or worse. And that is the beauty of being in harmony with all of existence. So I'm excited to see what comes through. If you do like this, please like, subscribe, and share. Certainly grateful building this beautiful YouTube community. And always use your own discernment. Some people hear these and they say they feel it everywhere in their body and it's really powerful, and other people listen and they feel nothing. And both are perfect. It's just about the resonance that you have at the time and what is in alignment for you. So, but I love to hear both. So if you feel something or you don't feel something, please share both. I'm very, very interested always in these, just because it is so unique in how it affects us. Okay, without further ado, let's go into this. I always like to take a couple deep breaths. And just let it all out. These are good to do just in general. Oh my goodness, we store so much of this energy in our field. Let's just do one more deep breath. Okay, and I always recommend, please don't do this while you're driving, or at least be aware of it. I never know how, these energies are going to affect people. So always better, if you can, to do it in a place where you can just relax and just receive. Kind of keep your palms up and just kind of go into a meditative state and allow these energies to take hold. Okay, here we go. Nka tisiama ika tianisia. O kanina katisia kamanina hatia waka isia waka isia waka isia waka. Ona kina kisia katia wakina siatia wakina katisia manisia anaka ush ush ush. Maku is opening up an energetic portal and is bringing in these whites and these yellows and literally massaging your DNA. Going up and down, purifying it. O siakia, o siakia, o siakia, nisia katia wasia. Inina katia mana katia haka. Now the beautiful yellow, it's coming through the solar plexus. It's just clearing out any of the limiting beliefs or lack of confidence. This is about stepping into your power, stepping into your divinity, and knowing that you are absolutely perfect as you are. O katinaka waka sitia manisia katia aka o nina asia nisia katia waka. The Arcturians are here. Ooh. Inisiaka patisiaka anina. They're bringing in this beautiful purplish energy coming into the crown and around your field. Oki ninaka siatia okia nina. But there is this beautiful, very vibrant blue portal opening up within your fields. And this is about speaking your truth. This is about being in alignment with your own integrity, listening to that inner voice. O ki siakia nina katisia nisia wakati nina katia akia asia nika o kia na usia kia nina hatia. Trusting that inner voice and allowing it to be your compass. O si akiatia o shu o shu o shu akisi akisi akisi. This blue is bringing also a calmness into your field. Just a sense, like a deep sigh of relief, that all is perfect. That there's nothing to do, there's nowhere to be, there's nothing to achieve. Just about allowing this energy to permeate within the body, and just to allow it to really take hold on a cellular level. And the deeper knowing that you're exactly where you're supposed to be. Aki si naka waka om. Now there's a really deep purple, like a darker violet, that is coming in. It is this deeper wisdom and knowing that wants to move through your body. A remembering of who you really are. That you are not this personality. You are not your name. You are the divinity of all things. O nakia atia sitia. Ooh. Ki si naka ha. Calling in the eagle. This eagle is about seeing things from a higher perspective. There is a zooming out that wants to take place. That so often we are seeing things from such a microscopic viewpoint that we're not able to fully understand or appreciate the entire perspective. And the eagle comes in to allow you to see more broadly and expansively. Takai ao. And now there is a beautiful owl, a white owl coming through. It is again this deeper knowing, this deeper wisdom. This owl is a direct reflection of your inner knowing? Can you trust the inner owl to guide you? For it will never lead you astray. Takasiya kia masiakia oki ni nakapatia siya wa. Now there's a beautiful, very strong white energy coming through. It is here to help purify your field. Any doubts or limiting beliefs or feelings of unworthiness. Allow this white energy to come in. Now there is, it's almost like Ganesha. It's like a bluish elephant. This is about abundance. This is about stepping into your worthiness and knowing that just by being here, you are worthy of it all. Just like the flower is worthy of the sun and the soil and the water, you are worthy of the infinite abundance and prosperity that you are. O shua kia kia sia patia nina katia kapa. Oki na sia kia nina katia mahi. O nina katia kia sia kia tia ma kia kia kia. Whoosh. They're opening up the third eye. There's a beautiful purple, whitish color coming out. It's about seeing beyond the physical. Can you trust what you are seeing beyond the physical? This is what wants to come through. For the eyes are limiting. They only allow you to see what is within this programmatic structure. And while they serve you well as you navigate this more dense dimension, this third eye wants to be open for you to see beyond, to have a deeper perspective. It is the seeing a square versus seeing a cube. This is what wants to come through. Clearing away all the energies that are somehow resisting this deeper knowing, this deeper truth. Allow these to move through the field. Now there is a very beautiful red coming through. It's the vibrancy. It's the life force. Just rejuvenating the cells. Many of you have been just going through it. Just the highs and lows of this life. You can just feel exhausted at times. This red is coming in to recharge you. O siakia ni nakapatia kia maha. O ki ni siakatia matsia kia nina hatia 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 hatia. There's a beautiful white lion. This is about the purity of standing in your courage, of knowing your strength. It just walks with confidence. It doesn't roar. It doesn't need to announce itself. It knows its own strength. This is what wants to come through for you. This deeper knowing of your own strength. The Arcturians are back, bringing back into this beautiful purplish, bluish, whitish color, just pouring over your entire field. This is a cleansing, this is a nourishing, this is an upgrade. Just allow this to come through. It's just helping you to remember. For as we go through life, we have layers upon layers that are just poured on top of us within our field, like veil on top of the veil on top of the veil. And this is helping to remove some of those layers just for you to get a peek again into remembering your true divinity, your strength, your courage. You are exactly where you are supposed to be. Can you trust? Can you trust? Can you trust? Allowing yourself to really step into your truth and your integrity and to speak it from a place of inner knowing, of inner alignment. We often say things to people please or to just go along. And what wants to come through is honoring yourself, honoring your truth and your integrity. Because when you do, a ripple effect will be created and the universe will provide the people, the places, the things that are in alignment to this frequency of your truth. And if others get upset or somehow their feelings are hurt, when you stand in this integrity, this is not your responsibility. This is not your responsibility. This is not your responsibility. Remember who you are. Remember the gift that you each are to each other, to yourself, to the cosmos. And always stand proudly, for there is no one like you. And that is the magic of this experience. Is to realize the gift that we each are and the important part that we each play in the harmony and balance of all things. Akisia manina, okisia nakia tia patia nisia. Oka, 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 oka. A field is now being placed around your auric fields, a container, if you will, to hold these energies. Allow them to move through you over the next several days. And remember all of these spirit animals that are with you now and forever. You can call upon them anytime you need more clarity, and they're always with you. This now completes the transmission. Oka, 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 Oka. Shoo, shoo, shoo. Whoosh. Thank you. Oh. Wow. See, for me, I feel it always. I have goosebumps and I see the energies and I see them moving through me. So it was really beautiful with the Arcturian energy. I really felt that in my body, especially the different and the different animals with the zooming out of the eagle and the inner knowing of the owl and really trusting that, but also the courage and the strength of the lion. The lion doesn't need a roar. It doesn't need to somehow prove itself. It just is. And just by seeing the lion, you know its strength. And that is what wants to come through in all of us, is that inner lion. It's just about believing in ourselves, believing in our strength, believing the gift that we each are, believing in, just the uniqueness that we each are and that we can share with the world. Our perspectives, our voice, our presence. There isn't a better gift in all of the divine than that. It's the purest expression of the divine through each and every one of us, and it's just about remembering who we are. I would love to hear your thoughts. Let me know how this resonated with you. I'll be doing another session here in the next couple of days, but I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm sending you so much love and look forward to the next one.